How secure is your mobile device right now? That's a question we often overlook, but its importance cannot be overstated. In our hyper-connected world, mobile devices have become an extension of ourselves, holding an array of personal and professional information. From cherished family photos to sensitive business emails, these pocket-sized gadgets have turned into treasure troves of data. But with this convenience comes a mounting risk. The more we rely on these devices, the more attractive they become to cybercriminals. And we're not just talking about the classic phone thieves here. We're referring to highly skilled hackers who are always on the prowl, seeking to exploit any vulnerability they can find. Mobile cyber threats have been on a steady rise over the last few years. In 2023 alone, there was a significant increase in mobile malware attacks compared to the previous year. This trend is fueled by the growing sophistication of cyber threats, targeting not just individual users, but also large organizations. Today, mobile devices are not just communication tools, they are powerful computing devices, capable of performing tasks that were once confined to desktop computers. This shift has made them a prime target for cyber attacks, which can lead to devastating consequences, ranging from identity theft to loss of sensitive data. But here's the thing, mobile cybersecurity is not just about protecting your device from malware or phishing attacks. It's also about protecting the integrity of the information stored on your device. It's about ensuring that your personal and professional data remains confidential and intact. Indeed, mobile cybersecurity is not a luxury or an afterthought. It's a fundamental aspect of living and working in the digital age. It's about understanding the risks and taking proactive measures to mitigate them. It's about being one step ahead of the cybercriminals, ensuring your mobile experience remains safe and secure. So ask yourself again, how secure is your mobile device right now? Because in this era of relentless digital advancement, mobile cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Do you know how to spot a threat on your mobile device? In the vast landscape of mobile cyberspace, threats can take many forms. One of the most common is phishing. Phishing happens when a cybercriminal tricks you into revealing sensitive information. They might impersonate a trustworthy entity, such as your bank or a social media platform, and send you a message or an email prompting you to update your personal details. Be wary of any such requests. Legitimate organizations will never ask for your credentials in an email or text message. Next up, let's talk about malware. Malware is a malicious software designed to cause damage or gain unauthorized access to your device. You might download a seemingly innocent app, but it could be laced with malware. Signs of malware infection include a sudden decrease in your device's performance, unexpected data usage, or frequent crashes. Always download apps from trusted sources and keep your operating system updated to guard against malware. Unsecured networks are another significant threat. Public Wi-Fi networks, such as those at coffee shops or airports, can be a hotbed for cyber threats. Cybercriminals can easily eavesdrop on your online activities on these networks. Therefore, avoid conducting sensitive activities like online banking when connected to public Wi-Fi. Lastly, let's not forget about physical threats. If your phone is lost or stolen, all your sensitive data can fall into the wrong hands. Always use strong, unique passcodes and consider using biometric security features like fingerprint or face recognition. Awareness is a fundamental part of cybersecurity. By recognizing these threats and understanding their signs and symptoms, you are better prepared to protect your mobile device. Remember, your mobile device holds a wealth of personal information. It's not just a phone, it's a gateway to your digital life. Protecting it should be a top priority. Awareness is the first step towards securing your mobile device. Ready to fortify your mobile device? Here's how. Our journey into the world of mobile cybersecurity begins with a simple step: installing a reliable security app. This is your first line of defense. It's like a digital guardian, tirelessly working in the background to protect your device from malware, phishing, and other nefarious cyber threats. But remember, not all security apps are created equal. Do your homework, read reviews, and choose an app that's highly rated and trusted within the industry. Next, let's talk about automatic updates. These updates are not just about getting the latest features or a sleeker interface, they're also about security. Developers constantly patch and update their software to fix vulnerabilities that cybercriminals might exploit. By enabling automatic updates, you're ensuring that your device always has the latest and most secure version of the software. Think of it as upgrading your digital armor whenever a stronger version becomes available. Now, on to passwords. Yes, we all groan at the thought of remembering yet another password, but they are the keys to your digital kingdom. It's essential to use strong and unique passwords for every account. Avoid obvious choices like password or 1234. Utilize a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And remember, each password should be unique. Using the same password for multiple accounts is like using one key for all your locks. If a hacker gets that key, everything is compromised. Let's move on to two-factor authentication, or 2FA, a simple yet powerful tool in your cybersecurity arsenal. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification beyond just your password. It could be a text message, an email, or a biometric like your fingerprint. Even if a hacker manages to crack your password, they'll be stopped in their tracks by this second layer of defense. Finally, consider encrypting your data. Encryption is like a secret code that scrambles your data, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the key. It's particularly useful for protecting sensitive information like your credit card details or personal emails. Most modern devices offer built-in encryption options, so it's just a matter of taking a few moments to set it up. And there you have it, 5 steps to deploying mobile cybersecurity: a reliable security app, automatic updates, strong and unique passwords, two-factor authentication, and data encryption. Each step, on its own, is a powerful tool. But when used together, they form a formidable defense against the ever-evolving threats in the world of cybersecurity. With these steps, you've just taken a big leap towards securing your mobile device. So you've secured your mobile device? What next? Well, securing your device is a significant first step, but it's important to remember that maintaining mobile cybersecurity is an ongoing process. It doesn't end with simply installing an antivirus or enabling a firewall. Just like a well-oiled machine, it needs regular upkeep. Consider this as your digital hygiene. It's about making small, consistent efforts to ensure your mobile device stays secure. Let's dive deeper into how you can maintain your mobile cybersecurity. First, let's talk about app permissions. It's easy to click Allow on every pop-up asking for access to certain features on your device, but each permission you grant is a potential gateway for cyber threats. It's crucial to regularly review these permissions. Ask yourself, does this app really need access to my contacts or my location? If the answer is no, it's time to reconsider those permissions. Next up, we have unused apps. These are like the cobwebs in the corner of your room. They might seem harmless, but they can pose serious threats. Unused apps may not get regular updates, leaving them vulnerable to hackers. Deleting these apps not only frees up storage space, but also removes potential security risks. Then there's data backup. In the digital world, data is as valuable as gold. Losing it can be a major setback. Regularly backing up your data ensures that even if your device is compromised, your data isn't lost. Cloud services, external hard drives, or even your computer can serve as your digital vault. Of course, these are just a few steps in the journey. Mobile cybersecurity is a vast and evolving field. It's important to stay informed about the latest threats and security measures. Remember, mobile cybersecurity is a continuous process, not a one-time task. Just like you wouldn't leave your house unlocked, you shouldn't leave your mobile device unprotected. It's not just about securing your device, but also about maintaining that security. Because in the end, the best defense is a good offense. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. We've explored the critical importance of mobile cybersecurity. In an increasingly digital world, our mobile devices are more than just communication tools. They're repositories of our personal and professional lives. We've delved into recognizing threats in the mobile cyberspace, understanding that the first line of defense is awareness. We've also navigated the steps to deploy mobile cybersecurity, ranging from simple habits like regular software updates to more complex measures like encryption and biometrics. Finally, we've discussed the ongoing commitment to maintaining mobile cybersecurity. It's not a one and done deal, but a continuous effort to protect our digital data. Remember, the world of cyber threats is ever evolving, and so should our defenses. With knowledge, vigilance, and the right tools, we can safeguard our mobile devices from these digital threats. Stay vigilant, stay secure. Protect your mobile device like it's your digital lifeline, because it is.